y'all, my strategy is super simple and not exciting at all. The setup happens once or twice a day, and you only need one indicator. I wish I would have developed this strategy a lot sooner in my trading journey, and I would have gotten to my goal of profitability a lot quicker. And this is the exact strategy that I used to retire from the classroom of over 15 years. I'm gonna go and break it down in detail for you right now on the charts. All right, y'all, let's get right into it. First things first, we're on our chart. This is an actual trade that we took using the strategy, and I'm gonna show you exactly how some folks in my group were able to make 200% and 300% on this trade using this exact same strategy. So the strategy we're talking about is the orb or ORB strategy, okay? And what that simply stands for is opening range breakout. And what the opening range breakout does, right? It gives us this data. It gives us the high and the low of price action for the first 15 minutes, okay? And instead of you having to plot that yourself, there's indicators that can do this for you, okay? And all you have to do, if you're on tradingview.com here, you go to the indicator section and you simply type in ORB, okay? And I like this one by ZZ Crypto 123. And what that does is when you have put it onto your chart, the next thing you need to do is go over to the ORB setting itself, go to this gear stick here, and I want you to change the ORB timeline minutes to 15 and the session time 9:30, 9:45. All right. So once you have that now, you don't have to worry about it, y'all. Once that 9:45 time hits on the, the market being open, you're going to get the high and the low. Cool. Now we have that plotted. Once you have that plotted, now what you want to see is we're now seeing if price can break through either the high or the low. If we get a break of the high, then we might be interested in a play to the upside. If we get a break to the low, then we might be interested in a play to the downside, okay? Now, what we see here on this coin chart, like I said, we took this live. A lot of our friends in the group were able to catch this. What we see here is we get a break of the ORB here, right? And then the beauty of the way that we trade or using the strategy is we have confluences or confirmations or reasons why we get into this trade. And one of the reasons that we use the confirmation for this trade to be something we're interested in is what we call a retest, okay? So once we got a break, that's not our entry to get in. Our entry to get in is once we see we get a retest. Now, this level here, right? The low, the ORB low, used to be a floor. Okay, that used to be a support. Once price was able to break through that support, now we want to confirm that this is indeed a level of resistance. So we do get a retest here, right? But we saw this second retest here. And here's another confluence that we like to see. We saw a flag forming right here also. So not only did we get a break and retest, but we also got a flag that formed. Now, your next thought is, hey, Tanisha, where did you get into this trade? We got into this trade at the break of the flag. And the next thing you need to write down, because you already know note takers are money makers. I hope you've been having your pen and paper, right? Because never get into a trade unless you know where you're going to get out. Our stop loss is simply on the opposite side of the flag here. And we took this trade to the downside here. And as we were going through this trade going in our favor, we were taking profit at different levels. Okay, my friends? And what we mean by taking profit, if you had 6 contracts, right? And we got to our profit target here, right? We got to our profit target here at 190, for example. Once you get to your first profit target, or what you call TP1, right? You're supposed to take 50% off that trade. Okay, so at that point, my friends, if you had 6 contracts, you would take 3. Okay, now as the trade goes in your favor, what you have currently just done was got paid for the work you've done thus far. So as the trade is going in your favor, in case there was an issue or whatever the case, or the price action decides to bounce off of this level, you have already got paid for this work. You've secured, you put money in your pocket, and all you have left is your runners, okay? Now, as you can see, there are different areas to get into this trade. That's why some folks were able to get 200%, 300%. To put that in perspective, y'all, if you put $500 into this trade, you could have easily made $1,000 or $1,500 on a move like so. And it was simply by having one strategy that you're waiting for to produce itself, for you to know how to execute and also let the trade play out. Okay, now we take trades like this live with our friends on a daily basis. Go ahead and click the link in my description if you want to get some free resources or ever come on live and hear my husband and I trade live. We trade live together every day. Now, as we're going on into this this trade, y'all, we're seeing other areas of an entry, because there's times where, you know, you might have been looking at a different ticker, you might have seen something else, and you were looking for another, you know, you missed the initial entry. No worries at all. So as we can see, as the trade was going in our favor, there came another possible entry down here. This small little flag formed here, and we were able to take another entry to this downside here. Now, as we see, my friends, the trade kept going in our favor. We were in this trade for a while, collecting profits, and this happened within the first 30 minutes of the market being open. This is the ideal setup that we're looking for when we're interested in taking ideal setups or A plus setups, right? We wait for our break of a critical level. We've got a retest of that. We know where our profit target is. We know where our stop loss is. We take profit as we go to make sure that in case the trade doesn't go in our favor or it bounces off of a critical level, we've already got paid for the work that we've done thus far, and all we have left is runners in that trade. So my friends, I hope you learned something new here in regards to the ORB strategy and how we were able to take this 200 to 300% trade in less than 30 minutes. If you want to go ahead and trade with us live, go ahead and comment the word trade down below, or simply click the link in my description and I got you. I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed rest of the year. I'll see you on the next one.